Hey guys, Jon Dugan here with Randy Kuehl Honda. I'm going to go over the 2023 Honda Pilot EXL. So what I have here for you now is the Pilot in radiant red. That big Honda logo and the big aggressive grille. So now I'm going to touch on some of the features that you get on the EXL that are going to be different than the Touring and Elite TrailSport that I've already done. So the first thing here, you're going to get 18-inch wheels with the pewter inserts, no roof rails, but you do get power lift gate with programmable height. Then obviously there's a button here normally for the delayed walk away to shut the tailgate. That is going to be a feature that's going to be on the higher trim levels. But the programmable height is right here. If you ever want to program that height, you just adjust the tailgate to wherever you want it to be, and you press and hold. Once you hear that double beep, you know it's locked in, and you can lower the tailgate. Now there are a lot of similarities on this Pilot. So number one, you can get the EXL in a 7 or 8 passenger. This one happens to be an 8 passenger, so you have the full bench seat here, but this will lower as a and double as like a cup holder or cubbies, whatever you want it to be. Then you got your climate control back here with your USB ports down here. And like I said, this isn't available in a 7 passenger configuration, which is obviously going to have nothing there. So good look at your third row back here. Those will fold down. These will fold down as well, flat like that. So if you ever have to haul anything, you got your sunshades in the rear. So if you have kiddos in the back seat, that's always good to have. Tons of storage space in the doors, tons of storage space. 9-speaker 225 watt in the EXL for your speaker system. This is for your lock. Good look at the driver panel. So obviously you got your side mirror controls here, power windows, all power, 2-position memory lock, or memory seating, I'm sorry. Storage in the cubbies, cup holder galore, power seat on both sides. And as we get in the vehicle, got that nice Honda welcome there. 9-inch color touchscreen display here. Nice thing I like about this is it will have actual physical buttons here. If you wanted to hit those buttons, it's an actual button that'll click. Otherwise you can use the touchscreen. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto in here. You got your home link underneath your rear view mirror with an auto dimming feature. And then you have your sunglass holder up here, which will also dual as a mirror, so you can check out everything that's going on in the back. Wireless charging, heated seats in the front, and then obviously you got all your Honda sensing safety features, your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, cross traffic monitoring. So I'll give you a good look at the backup camera here. So the backup camera, you don't have the Honda Trail Watch. Now it is kind of beeping at me. As you can see, we got some obstacles here on the back left rear of the vehicle. But you have a wide angle, a normal angle, and a top-down view. In case you're backing up, you need to see exactly how much room you have. As you can see, the left rear, this is what I'm close to, which is why it's popping up over here. So it's super nice feature to have. Shift-by-wire technology, so you just push the button to shift. Click this in to go to reverse, neutral, drive, and then you got your 7 drive modes with your idle stop, electronic parking brakes, and brake hold. EXL is a very good trim level for those that don't need the extra bells and whistles. Dual climate control up here. Basically all your essentials that you need in a vehicle are going to be in the EXL. Anything above and beyond that, to me, is just kind of icing on the cake. Another cool feature that they put in here that they did carry over is your cabin talk. So your cabin talk there allows you to talk to the people in the rear cabin of the vehicle if you're driving and, you know, say they're doing something on their phones, not really paying attention, or it's hard to hear. The cabin talk will play through the speakers inside the vehicle. Now the EXL still does give you the acoustic windshield, so it does have reduced road noise from wind and everything like that while you're driving. Excellent trim level. You're going to be in the mid 45s for the EXL, but I just want to get a quick video out there because EXL is a trim level that a lot of people are interested in, and I want to give you a quick overview so you can see everything. Got your storage cubby in there, which is really nice that they kind of brought that back. It's pretty deep too. I mean, that's really nice there. So you put your baby wipes or tissues or whatever you want to put in there, and then this storage down here, wireless charging on this side, and then just, you know, an extra phone storage or whatever here, so both passengers have a phone. It is pretty wide, so you can put 2 phones side by side in here. And if I didn't mention it, the wireless, or the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is going to be wireless, which is a nice feature. You got that real nice digital display there for you to kind of go through all your features here, and then your safety support. Obviously you're going to have your road departure mitigation, blind spot, low speed braking control, parking sensors, and your collision mitigation braking system are all going to be accessible by this home button here, and then your scroll bar right here to access everything in this menu here. So that's where most of your settings are going to be for the vehicle. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys like the video, drop a like and subscribe. Share the video with anybody that might be in the market. Thanks, guys.